In today's video, we will show you the 5 best vaginal tightening pills to help you regain vaginal elasticity. One of the most common issues that women face is vaginal looseness or laxity, which can be caused by a variety of factors such as childbirth, aging, and menopause, resulting in sexual dissatisfaction for both women and their partners. The Teen Tight V Vaginal Tightening Pills are an excellent product that provides long-term results by utilizing an herbal, amino acid, and multivitamin blend to help balance your hormones and restore tightness. The natural herbal ingredients help to improve lubrication, sensitivity, libido, and prevent further looseness. The pills are also fortified with collagen and hyaluronic acid to help enhance the softness of the vaginal wall. In addition, the formula uses key vitamins and minerals to enhance your overall health and increase your energy levels. To maximize absorption and efficiency, the pills should be taken with food. As a woman ages, her body changes in a variety of ways, but one of the most obvious changes is that her vagina can loosen up and become less constricted. While there are many products on the market that claim to help with this issue, not all of them are effective, but Vagifirm is. The main ingredient in Vagifirm is Casip Fatima extract, which has a long history of use for its efficacy in vaginal tightening and contractions. The pill also contains Morinda citrifolia and calcium carbonate, which help to reduce excess vaginal discharge and maintain vaginal health. Vagifirm works by strengthening the vaginal walls and increasing blood flow to the area. If you are pregnant or nursing, you should speak to your healthcare provider before taking Vagifirm. These pills have been clinically proven to tighten the vagina by up to 40% in just 12 weeks with no side effects. So, if you want a healthy vaginal tightening pill that will give you long-term, permanent results, this could be a game changer for you. If you're looking for a way to tighten, cleanse, and restore your vagina, you might want to try the Female Rituals Yoni Balance Vaginal Tightening Pills. These pills are made with natural, plant-based ingredients such as a phytoestrogen compound called Casip Fatima, which does not cause any of the unpleasant side effects that other supplements can, and it is also safe for human consumption with no painful or dangerous side effects. In addition to vaginal tightening, Female Rituals Yoni Balance has a moisturizing effect that restores your natural pH levels and hormonal balance in your nether regions. This non-GMO, gluten-free, and filler-free dietary supplement helps to relieve post-pregnancy symptoms and restore the firmness and health of the yoni walls after birth. The pills also help to restore moisture and lubrication to the vagina, which can help alleviate vaginal dryness, itching, and burning. Furthermore, the pills can help to reduce the appearance of vaginal wrinkles and improve overall vaginal appearance. So if you're ready to start living a happy, healthy life with a gorgeous and balanced yoni, give Female Rituals Yoni Balance a try. Major Curves Vaginal Tightening Pills are a dietary supplement that promises to help women achieve a permanent and long-term tighter vaginal wall. The product is made entirely of natural ingredients and is suitable for women of all ages. This pill can be taken orally, and it is effective in improving sexual satisfaction for both partners. Furthermore, the product works by increasing blood flow to the vaginal area, which aids in the strengthening and toning of the vaginal muscles. This can be beneficial for a variety of reasons, including reduced infection risk and improved bladder control. The pills are completely safe and have no side effects because they are made from a proprietary blend of herbal extracts. It will also help to improve vaginal health and balance, as well as eliminate vaginal odors, with results visible in as little as a month. So if you're looking for a way to improve your sexual experience, then the Major Curves Vaginal Tightening Pills could be a cost-effective option. If you are looking for a way to improve your sex life by tightening your vagina, the IsoSensuals Tight Vaginal Tightening Pills are the solution. These pills are intended to help improve your overall vaginal health, and have been used for centuries in Asia for this purpose. They contain all natural and safe ingredients like mangakani extract, cassid fatima extract, and nigella sativa, that provide vaginal tightening without any surgery. Additionally, the time-release formula of the pills ensures that your body absorbs and benefits from all of the active ingredients quickly and safely, providing maximum results. In a clinical study, 100% of the women who used IsoSensuals Tight reported an increase in vaginal tightness by taking 1 pill per day. Also, most users notice results after 2 to 3 months of use, with maximum results after 6 months. However, it can be used in conjunction with the IsoSensuals Tight Vaginal Tightening Gel to achieve immediate results. So give the IsoSensuals Tight Vaginal Tightening Pills a try today and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe. For more updates in the future, don't forget to press the notification bell.